Seems to be a privately encoded document, a printout without any signature.
Based on the documents submitted to ICPAO, 125 million pesos po.
Hindi tugma, 150,000 na butal, which are intended to just prove one thing, Your Honor. You made a tabulation kung ano-ano itong mga acknowledgement receipts.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. We don't have a copy now, and we reserve the right to provide counsel for the respondent a copy, but can you share with us your findings based on your notes or your tabulation?
Based on my tabulation po, napansin ko na some of the payments were dated December 2023, which is beyond the scope po nung covered ng kanilang cash advances. And yun nga po, katulad nung nasabi ko kanina, may mga payment of rewards po sila, either in cash, in medicines, and in various goods. Pero wala na po silang sinamit na any document na support or evidence, document evidencing the success of the information gathering activity on account of the information given by the informer. And also,
How did you prepare your tabulation?
noong time po na binigay sa akin yung acknowledgement receipts, doon ko po tinabulate yung payments based doon nga po sa purpose po ng payment,
Okay.
doon sa date po ng payment and the amount po na binayaran doon sa recipients.
Will your tabulation show, and can you share with us if it does, ano ang sinabi mong mga purposes na naka-indicate?
Yes po, nakalagay po sa tabulation ko yung purpose.
Can you read from your notes, please? On page 1.
Your Honor, just to manifest for the record
Counsel
while
for
he's
respondent.
perusing his notes that when I inspected the document, it seems to be a privately encoded document, a printout without any signature of who prepared it.
Do you
Just a
confirm,
manifestation, Your Honor, just to put that
Do you
on record.
confirm, Mr. Witness?
Yes po, Your Honor.
Okay.
Since it is a personal notes po, so hindi ko na po pinirmahan yung
Duly
tabulation.
noted.
How many pages is your tabulation?
$19 pages po.
Okay. Your Honor, please, this P-29, P-1-29, which is a tabulation consisting of 19 pages, we will request that they, at the appropriate time, be submarked as P-29-A up to end series, Your Honor. Now,
So ordered.
can you read from your tabulation? What is in page 1? How many names are there? Total, if you recall. And based on your tabulation.
Can you repeat your question po?
Based sa tabulation na ginawa mo, na sinabi mo na summary ng mga acknowledgement receipts, how many is the total of the acknowledgement receipts?
Based on the acknowledgement receipts po, ang lumalabas na expenses ay 125,150,000.
125 million,
150,000.
150,000. For what period is this, Mr. Witness?
Based on the documents po na submitted to us, December 21 to 31, 2022. Pero katulad nga po ng sinabi ko, some of the dates po dun sa acknowledgement receipts ay dated December 2023.
Okay. Sinabi mo na ang total is 125,150,000. Magkano ba ang binigay na confidential funds?
Based on the documents submitted to ICPAO, 125 million pesos po.
May discrepancy. Hindi tugma, 150,000 na butal.
Based on the documents po, yes, may discrepancy po yung acknowledgement receipts and the accomplishment report.
Okay. Thank you for your pointing that out. Ano pa ang dapat malaman namin sa tabulation mo?
Yung meron po silang, katulad po nung sinabi ko kanina, meron silang purchases na ginawa. Pero yun nga po, supported lang po ng acknowledgement receipts instead of sales invoices or official receipts.
Do you have an amount, Mr. Witness?
May I approach, Your Honor?
Counsel may do so.
I think nasa notice of suspension po yung amount. May I be allowed po to refer to the notice of suspension?
Okay. At
This
the,
is
uh,
a stipulated document, right? Counsel?
Yes, Your Honor, the notice of suspension is.
The
We
notice
will
of suspension?
we will ask again the question in due course.
Kindly ask the question again, counsel for the panel of prosecutors. Witness is asking for permission to refer to the notice of suspension to answer your question. Assistant counsels may approach.
Based on this notice of suspension, actually wala pong total pero nandito po yung breakdown ng amounts per type of purchase po.
Okay, can we go through the breakdown of amounts?
Opo. As to
Based on
the,
your notice of suspension, which is a common exhibit of
As
the
to the-
prosecution and the defense.
as to the ano po, various goods which were given as rewards, 34,857,000.
Can I mention his name because his mother daw is watching?
Assisting counsels may approach for both
Attorney
parties.
Mark Peña.
Ano na ma-identify yan?
Where is it? Your Honor, the witness is being presented for the record 845 acknowledgement receipts. In a box, and for purposes of reference, these have been marked as exhibits P-1-8 and series for the prosecution.
How many boxes, counsel?
3 boxes, Your Honor.
What was the folder earlier given to the witness by Attorney Peña?
The folder given, Your Honor, is just one of the folders, Your Honor,
Inside the box.
inside the box. So for the record, Your Honor, Attorney Peña showed to the witness a sample folder of a folder which is among the 845 documents inside several folders, inside 3 boxes.
Containing the 845 exhibits.
Yes, Your Honor.
Assisting counsel may show the witness a sample of the 845 acknowledgement receipts contained in a folder.